dark hair to like blonde ombre for now.
This is how we're bleaching my hair. So much fun. You see how dark my hair is, y'all, right? He is so scared my hair is gonna fall out. I'm a little lightweight nervous, but my stylist, he knows.
I'm terrified. I'm terrified.
This will be
but
good.
it's okay. It's okay.
He knows what he's doing.
They don't call me Hair Daddy Kim for nothing.
That's right. That's right. Y'all, these fumes are killing it. Look at my hair. We're so scared. We are so scared.
If we get there in one time, it's gonna be good.
Mm-hmm. This is what happens when you want to go blonde, but then you're not really gonna go blonde, probably. Look how light my hair has gotten that quick. I can see that.
Yeah.
I told you it lifts quick.
Yeah, I'm not worried about lifting it quick. I'm worried about your hair being in the drain afterwards.
Oh, shit. Tell him your Instagram name, please.
Hair Daddy Ken. You spell that K-Y-I-N.
Because he is that bitch. Hear me?
Yep. 100%.
Now we're about to heat lamp this. See what happens. I'm so scared. No, I'm not. Y'all, I ain't scared. If I did the world's hottest peanut challenge and made it through that, we're okay with this. Ooh, Lord. Shit. So what had happened was I told him my hair lifts very quickly. I don't think he believed me. But as y'all see.
Yeah, it's pretty light.
So this is what happens. It's blonde, y'all. It's blonde. And it's only a 10 develop, or what is it called? Developer? Yeah. I want bleach to splash in my eye, so you know.
I'm so good at doing hair.
Yes, you are. Ooh, still strong hair.
Yeah. I mean, there's a little breakage, but
That's just normal.
yeah. Yeah. Not as bad as just your regular breakage. Or I mean, just as bad as your regular breakage.
So now we've toned,
Now we tone.
and it will be an ash blonde.
Yes.